Let us continue with the further question. That is question number 6. Which one of the following has maximum number of atoms of oxygen? So here they are asking to calculate the maximum number of atoms of oxygen. So first one. So it has been given as 2 grams of carbon monoxide. So that is nothing but 2. Molecular mass of carbon monoxide is 28. Given mass by molecular mass into Avogadro number. So this will be around 1 by 14 Avogadro number. The second option is 2 grams of carbon dioxide. So 2 grams of carbon dioxide means 2 divided by 44 into Avogadro number, which comes out to be 1 divided by 22 into Na. Third option is 2 grams of sulfur dioxide. So that is 2. Molecular mass of sulfur dioxide is 64 into Na. That is nothing but 1 divided by 32 into Na. So question number option number 4, 2 grams of water. So 2 grams of water is nothing but what? 2 divided by 18 into Avogadro number, which is equal to 1 by 9 into Na. So fraction of molecule is small means so the overall value will be greater. Hence the correct option for the given question is what? Option D, where option D, that is 2 grams of water, will be having the maximum number of atoms related to oxygen. Next one, question number 7. The mass of a metal with equivalent mass 31.75, which would combine with 8 grams of oxygen is. So it has been given that the equivalent mass of metal is equal to 31.75. So they have mentioned the equivalent mass already. Let us consider the mass of metal. Let us consider the mass of metal as X. It has been given that it combines with 8 grams of oxygen. That is the given data. Therefore, what we have to calculate? Equivalent mass of metal is equal to mass of metal. Equivalent mass of metal is equal to mass of metal. I don't know the mass of metal. I had to calculate the mass of metal into 8 grams. 8 grams means it has to combine with what? 8 grams of oxygen divided by mass of oxygen in metal oxide, divided by mass of oxygen in metal oxide. So the mass of the metal is what? X. So it has to combine with what? 8 grams of oxygen. Mass of the metal in oxide is how much? That is also 8 grams. Equivalent mass is how much? 31.5. Therefore it implies that the value of X is 31.75 grams, which is nothing but the mass of the metal is 31.75, which is given by the option D. Next one, question number 8. The volume of 10 normal and 4 normal HCl required to make 1 liter of 7 normal HCl are. So here it has been given that volume of 10 normal and 4 normal HCl. So 10 normal and 4 normal HCl required to make 1 liter of 7 normal HCl are. So here by this, the first option A, that is 0.5 liter of 10 normal HCl and 0.5 liter of 4 normal HCl is the correct answer, because 0.5 liter, that is the volume, into 10 normal of HCl plus of 0.5 normal, 0.5 liter into 4 normal of HCl. Total normality is how much? 7. So when I simplify this, LHS will be equal to RHS. Hence the correct option is what? Option A.